Video I will show you how to do basic photo editing in Mac itself. You don't need to have third-party software on a website to make some basic edits in your images. So first of all, let me show. This is the one image that we will use. I have downloaded some of the wallpaper from Pexels. You can open any image in the preview. Then you have to go to this pencil icon. Then there are certain options that you can use, like if you want to add some shapes like arrows, you can add other shapes also, like this kind of shapes. You can add text on it. You can customize this text. You can change the font of text. You can change the color like this. You can increase decrease the font size. You can align this text. You can change the box color, like from here. You can change the border color. You can remove the border also. So in this way you can do text addition in the images. You can draw on over the image. Like you see, its color is yes. You can draw over the image. You can change the shape of these drawings. This is freehand drawing. It will generate its images when you leave the focus from that touchpad until you are drawing. It will keep creating the shape. When you lift the finger, then it will convert it into the images like this. You can drag it over there, any place where you want to. You can rotate the images. You can change the exposure of images, contrast, highlight, shadows, saturation, anything you can do over there. You can reset the image. If you don't like something, then you can delete them, just selecting the item and then clicking the delete items. This is how you can do this basic editing within the preview. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please like, share and